You've probably seen them in home improvement stores, on remodeling TikTok, or maybe even in your neighbor's bathroom. Plastic showers. Affordable, fast, low maintenance. But are they actually a good choice for your Colorado home? Or do they end up costing you more in the long run? Today, we're giving you the real scoop. No fear tactics, no sales pitch, just the honest pros, cons, and what you need to know before installing a plastic shower in your home. Plastic showers, usually acrylic or PVC, are some of the most common remodeling choices in Colorado. And there's a reason. They're budget friendly and fast to install. Most kits come with the pan and wall panels, and many can be put in within a day or two. But here's where it gets interesting. Acrylic showers sound simple until you actually compare them to other materials. So let's start with the good news. If you're on a budget or you need something installed quickly, a plastic shower can be a lifesaver. Pros of these include they're some of the least expensive shower systems on the market. Installations can be done fast, sometimes in under 2 days. They're lightweight, so they work well in older homes or upper levels. And because they're non-porous, they're very easy to clean. If you're remodeling a rental, a basement bath, or a temporary solution, plastic absolutely fits the bill. But like anything in remodeling, there's always a trade-off. Here's where most homeowners start to hesitate. Some of the disadvantages of plastic showers include limited colors and textures. They can look builder grade, which may hurt the resale value of your home. They can scratch or crack more easily than composite systems. And repairs? Well, those are tough. Often a crack will mean replacing the entire panel. And the big one for many Colorado homeowners, plastic showers don't add much value back into your home. If resale matters, or if you're creating a long-term bathroom you're going to rely on as you age in place, plastic is not the strongest investment. That's why many homeowners eventually look at premium alternatives like LuxStone, Onyx, or other solid surfaces. They're stronger, they're more customizable, and they come with limited lifetime warranties. Well, they will cost more, but they pay off in durability, safety, and long-term peace of mind. If you're planning to stay in your home long, safety and accessibility will matter. For the long term, plastic showers can be part of an aging in place solution, but they don't offer the same structural integrity, grab bar support, or customizable thresholds that you get with premium systems that are designed for mobility. If you want true peace of mind as you get older, or if you're remodeling for a parent, you'll want something stronger. So here's the bottom line. If you need something quick, affordable, and functional, plastic showers absolutely have their place. But if you're thinking about long-term value, aging in place, or you simply want a bathroom you'll love walking into every day, well, it's worth exploring higher-end options. To dive deeper into the real-world comparisons, plastic versus fiberglass versus tile versus premium stone, we invite you to check out the full breakdown in our learning center at homepridebath.com. And if you want expert guidance on choosing the best shower system for your home, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.